Hi everyone. Ever wanted to control multiple computers with just one keyboard and mouse? Today, I'll show you how using a handy tool from Microsoft. Let's get started. Browser interfaces are shown. Type mouse without borders. After that, click on the first link. Click Download. Click on Next. Mark the checkbox and click on Install. Click on Finish. Now, the software will ask if you've already installed mouse without borders on another computer. Since this is our first time, we'll select No. Make sure to note down the security code and computer name that appear. These are essential for linking your devices together. Next, move to your laptop. Download and install mouse without borders there as well. The steps are the same. Install, agree to the terms, and you're done. Enter the security code and computer name from the first PC. This step connects both computers and allows them to communicate. Click on Link. Click on Next. Click on Done. And that's it, we're all set. The software is now linking both computers, and you can actually connect more devices if needed. You can also change the security code to something easier to remember if you prefer. Now, let's see if it works. Here's my laptop, and as you can see, I can move the mouse, which is actually connected to my PC. It seamlessly jumps between the two devices. That's why it's called mouse without borders. Now, create a new folder on the laptop and move it to the PC. Now, check if the keyboard is working by opening the PC browser and typing. After that, check if the keyboard is working by opening the laptop browser and typing. That's it. Now you can control multiple computers easily with mouse without borders. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. See you next time.